Yesterday, over $1 billion vanished. Poof, gone. Wiped out from the accounts of traders who thought the bull run was back. Right now, crypto Twitter is a war zone. People screaming, "It's over, the bull run's done, we're going back to 20k. But what if I told you this wasn't a random crash? This wasn't the market correcting. This was a planned, engineered, psychological attack. This was a heist. Whilst the stock market made new all-time highs, Bitcoin mysteriously dumps 8%. That's not correlation. That's not market forces. That is targeted, weaponized manipulation. Today, I'm not just telling you it's a trap. I'm showing you the proof. I'm showing you exactly how they are stealing retail's money right in front of our eyes. So if you're tired of being their exit liquidity, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's expose this damn thing. Let's go. This video is for informational purposes only. Crypto assets are high risk and are not suitable for all retail investors. This video is not intended for a UK audience. Look at this. This is the crime scene. Over $1 billion in long positions liquidated, vaporized in a matter of hours. 400,000 traders wrecked. Now, look at this. SPX hit a new all-time high. NDX hit a new all-time high. For months, Bitcoin has been handcuffed to these indices. When they go up, Bitcoin goes up. So how in the hell do they both print fresh highs whilst Bitcoin gets slaughtered? You need to understand this. This isn't an accident. This is proof. This is a smoking gun that whales are specifically targeting crypto, engineering a crash whilst the rest of the financial world celebrates. They're creating panic that doesn't exist anywhere else. They are literally stealing your money whilst you watch. It's a psychological attack designed to shake out retail, and it's working on 97% of the market. Do you know what? Let me break away from my script for a second because I want to talk about something that really pisses me off. This sort of manipulation happens all the time in crypto, but people keep falling for it over and over and over, and it makes me sad. I said to you last month that I didn't believe the BS about this scary September crash, how September is always mega bearish, blah, 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 blah. We're now over 3 weeks into September and the Bitcoin monthly candle is still green. Every single week, it's some new crap designed to shake you out, and it's all so tiring. Let me tell you a secret my mentor taught me years ago. The most violent, soul-crushing shakeouts, they never happen at the bottom. They happen on the way to the top every single time. This isn't theory. This is history. So look at 2017. On the way to $20,000, Bitcoin had multiple 30 to 40% corrections. Brutal, terrifying dumps that felt like the end of the world. They were designed to shake you out before the real parabolic move. Look at 2021. Remember the May crash? A 53% nuke from 64k. Remember the summer chop? Everyone screamed the bull run was over. And what happened next? We went on to a new all-time high at 69k. Here's the psychology you need to burn into your brain. Whales need to shake out the weak hands before the next leg up. They need to accumulate retail crypto cheap and then sell it back to them for a much higher price. Think about it. This is how whales get rich. They manipulate you at the top. They manipulate you at the bottom. They manipulate extra hard in the middle. That being said, there is one brutal truth we all need to come to terms with. This isn't 2021 anymore. The game has changed. The playground we used to play in, it's been taken over by giants. BlackRock, Fidelity, MicroStrategy. The ETFs have brought hundreds of billions of institutional dollars into this market, and with them, they brought their playbook. The old crypto market was retail-driven, random pumps, chaotic dumps, the Wild West. The new crypto market is institutionally controlled. If you thought manipulation was bad in 2021, we have now let the puppet masters into our show, and they're pulling the strings. Crypto in 2025 is about engineered liquidation events for accumulation. It's about creating volatility on their terms. That correlation to the stock market, that was by design. They wanted to tether crypto to their world so they could control it. That sudden, shocking decoupling we just saw, that was also by design. This is the new crypto market, where your stop loss becomes their buy signal, where your panic sell becomes their limit order fill. They are playing chess whilst most of retail is still playing checkers. But screw that. I'm not playing the game.